What's going on, guys? Before we get into this video, the editing of this video is supposed to be like one of them Indian videos that you see when they're building the pools and the houses and stuff. So, keep that in mind. But if you guys enjoy this, we'll do a part 2 when we work on the back. But, just enjoy. All right, guys. So the front frame is now welded on, as you can see right here. Welded on, not fully bolted up since the rebar and stuff gotta go on, but is welded on. This doesn't really require a lot of welds because this is just like bolted. These get bolted on the sides, and the only places that get welded is this, and then I think this is a bolt too. So yeah, and he also welded these small pieces on right there. So the front is basically almost done frame wise. There might be a few other things, I'm not sure, but yeah, so that's the front so far. That's pretty cool. The good thing about the frame machine, we found out that underneath was not moved at all. It was just the top piece that was swayed to the side. So, you know, once we do that, then we can get the fender, the bumper, and stuff like that. And yeah, but then we got to focus on the back, which is back here. This is going to be the hardest part because, yeah, you can see how that's the hardest part. We got to cut here, cut there, take this whole piece off, and put the other piece on. So, and we might have to take that, yeah, we got to take that glass out to actually do that too. So, just a lot of stuff, man. Just a lot of stuff.